The marabou stork attacks the antelope. Jackals attack marabou storks. All bird species are skilled hunters and have unique ways of hunting prey. Today, let's explore 30 brutal moments of birds fighting their prey. Shoebill. The most ferocious bird in the world is shoebill. The most ferocious bird species in the world is the shoebill. They can grow over 1 meter tall and weigh between 4 to 7 kilograms, mainly living in the swamps of Africa. Their favorite food is smooth-scaled fish, which they hunt by wading deep into the swamps. Their offspring are just 3 weeks old and learning to walk. The chicks are entirely dependent on their parents for food and water. In the morning, this shoebill is looking for food. After searching for a while, it caught a fish. With its long legs, the shoebill efficiently searches for food underwater. This slippery fish has caught its attention. Its unique beak is sharp and strong like a knife. A powerful and determined grab. It can catch and crush a fish with just one strong bite before swallowing it. Marabou stork. A mongoose has discovered a termite mound here. Its enemy, the marabou stork, has also appeared. While the parent mongoose is busy with termites, the giant herd of storks target the young mongoose. They are not easy prey, and the mongoose tries to fend off its predators. The marabou stork is only 5 feet tall, with a wingspan of 8.5 meters. Can the small mongoose family be able to keep these birds for long? Back in the swamp, the marabou storks and pelicans search for food. These large birds are skilled scavengers, ready to eat anything. They pick up carrion and fish by probing water and mud with their long, pointed beaks. Below them are delicious fish waiting to be caught. The marabou stork uses its massive beak to protect the kudu carcass from hungry vultures. A wild dog attacked a marabou stork. The victim tried to escape the bloodthirsty predator, but it was unsuccessful. And the wild dog tightly locked its jaws around the bird's neck. After a struggle, the wild dog finally overpowered the marabou stork. These bizarre-looking storks have a penchant for eating rotting flesh and will seize any opportunity to scavenge for food. The marabou stork's careless eating habits have attracted another opportunistic predator, the eagle. The eagle swoops down to steal the fish from the stork's grasp. Its razor-sharp talons repeatedly dive in to snatch the food from the marabou stork. It's a harsh world. Pelican. The pelican rushed to attack the pigeons that were approaching them. The pelican tried to swallow the prey it caught while the pigeon struggled and flapped its wings in the pelican's mouth. It finally swallowed the pigeon after 5 minutes of struggling. Pelicans are fearsome carnivores. Just as you have seen it trying to swallow a live pigeon. It chose to devour its prey, this time as a bad idea. The pelican is a large bird, identified by its long and sharp beak, especially the downward curved hook at the end of the upper jaw, and the giant pouch at the bottom. They usually prey on fish, but sometimes pelicans also attack and kill other birds, such as pigeons. The way they consume their prey is so cruel. They swallow their prey even while it's still alive. They push their prey slowly into their abdomens for digestion by vibrating their necks. Pelicans come to the great rivers to hunt fish. They forage under fast-moving water. Jumping fish is not easy to catch. In Santa Barbara, we'll sometimes see pelicans loitering around fishermen. They want to steal some fish. This greedy predator locks prey in his oral cavity. Open the throat so that the victim directly slides into the abdomen. Secretary bird. Secretary birds often hunt small animals such as rodents, amphibians, and reptiles. They are highly skilled in the art of hunting. Secretary birds are ambitious birds that can launch precise and effective attacks on the head and spine of their prey. The poor little rabbit cannot escape death. A secretary bird is a bird species that is capable of walking more than 30 kilometers per day and is known to be a fierce hunter with a large arsenal of weapons. They have strong bodies like an eagle, strong legs, and a thick layer of skin to resist attacks. With wings spanning about 200 to 225 centimeters, they can stun their prey before launching deadly attacks. They quickly swallow their prey after that. Although the mother bird is a skilled hunter, her young are still weak and often threatened by baboons. The mother bird has to both hunt for food and protect her offspring. The secretary bird can spend hours searching for food on the ground. When prey falls within its range, it's very difficult to escape. can be said that she is a natural-born top predator. Heron. The blue heron is an elite bird of prey, capable of hunting snakes and other animals such as mice, frogs, and rabbits. After catching its prey, it carries the snake to a place where the prey has little chance of escaping. Finally, knock down the prey before eating. Use his sharp beak to lock the head of the prey. Then lift it up. Before eating, the blue heron constantly shakes, making the prey dizzy. Successfully devouring prey. The great blue heron is capable of adapting to almost any type of habitat. They typically hunt in shallow waters less than 50 centimeters deep. Blue herons are a terror to fish, as it seems every time their beak strikes down, a life is lost. This bird species does not tear apart its prey. They choose a more savage way of eating by swallowing its victim alive. Nothing can stop this cruel predator. The poor prey disappears in the mouth of death. The gray heron starts hunting, searching for mice behind the bushes. Its steps are slow and deliberate. Quickly, the prey is caught in its beak. With one successful move, the heron swallows the prey. Finally, we would like to thank all of you who have followed the hawk from the first videos until now. And we always welcome new viewers to the channel. Follow the work that we do every day to send you the best videos. These are 2 of our video editors, and here are 2 of our research and content writers. We all work up to 12 hours a day to be able to upload 2 videos a day. Don't hesitate to share the video with your friends. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.